Auto Express reports that Lexus has approved a convertible version of the LV, and is close to green-lighting a high-performance LCF trim. The Detroit Bureau reported that the same two models were in development 1 year ago, citing Lexus sources at the Detroit Auto Show who told the outlet a number of additional variants would follow the coupe's launch. The timeline's been stretched a bit between then and now. Instead of getting the convertible this year, Auto Express says the done deal drop-top should arrive in 18 months to 2 years. Both models would return Lexus to a small, exclusive end of the market where it hasn't held a membership since 2010. Rejoining the soiree, a party hosted by the Germans, because these matters always come back to the Germans, is another huge, and costly, step toward sharing Lexus' somnolent image. Akio Toyoda said the goal for his luxury arm was that the words Lexus and boring never appear in the same sentence again.